Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you how to create and I will be demonstrating a Make.com automation for posting social media content. Okay, this is all fully automated, all fully AI, a streamlined scenario anyone can build to simplify social media marketing. The blueprint is in the description below. Just download this blueprint for free and use this in your social media. Okay, this will drastically help your workflow, I would say, by automating this pipeline. Okay, this is a fully automated social content pipeline. This generates high quality, niche relevant posts using AI. It formats content for platform specific requirements, publishes directly to multiple social channels, and saves hours of manual scheduling, editing, and posting. Okay, before I get into the technical side of things, I just want to quickly just give you an update of who I am. I am an Make.com Advanced Specialist certified by Make.com. This here is a very simple automation. Okay, if you really want to know what Make.com is fully capable of, please click the link in my description and go to my portfolio and you can view a 30-minute video of this AI engine that I have created, and you can see how massive and ginormous it is. Okay, and this is really a machine. Okay, this is an engine. This is not an agent. This is an engine. Okay, so if you want to view something more technical, more vast, click my portfolio below. Okay, now let's just go back to this very simple social automation. Okay, that anybody can use, and let's just demonstrate it. Okay, now before I go into the technical stuff, I just want to run it for you and just show you that it works. Okay, normally I would have this scheduled and set to a certain period. Okay, but now I am just going to do it manually. Let's test it out now. The account that it will be posting to is called Rakito AI. This is just my test account where I test things on. It's not a real, it is a real, platform. I've got socials, I've got a website, but this is where I just do all my tests on. You can visit it, feel free to have a little look. So as you can see, it's already posted to Facebook. Let's just have a look at the Facebook post. Okay, let's just refresh this. This is the Rakito page. Okay, here we are just now. Okay. Now, see, it has hashtags here, Rakito AI. It has the link to the website, as you can see. Okay, let's go back. It's just posting to Instagram right now. Let's have a look. It's posted to Instagram. Let's refresh this. Okay. This image can be optimized with Flux. Right now we're just using DALL-E. If you want to know how to use Flux, you can view my other video on how to use and adapt Flux to your automation workflow. Okay. Now, here is the post. Okay. We have the link here. We have Rakito AI as one of the hashes, and this is optimized for Instagram specifically. Okay, now it's posted to X. We have to use buffer now because Make.com does not have its native X module anymore available for its scenario workflows, so it's not as streamlined, but there are workarounds. Okay, so we use a third-party platform called Buffer, and here you can connect your X profile to the module, and it will post through the buffer. Okay, now you can just go to buffer.com and set that all up, and you can just connect your buffer account from buffer.com to this module, and you can just post directly to X. It's actually very, very simple. Okay, so now it's posted to X. Let's have a look. So this should be an X version of that post. Okay, you see we have the Rakito hash. So this is optimized for X platform. As you can see, it's a lot shorter. It's 280 characters maximum. That is the restriction. So that's why it is a lot smaller, unless you obviously have an X premium account. Okay. And here we have LinkedIn. Let's just have a look at that one. It's just posted to LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn page, by the way. If you feel like connecting with me, it's actually a fairly new LinkedIn profile, so please connect with me. Okay, let's refresh this. Okay, 1 minute ago. Here we are. We got the hashtags, we got the link. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, now you know it works. Now let's get into the technical stuff. Okay, so this here creates a category. Okay, you don't need to copy this. You can just download the blueprint, and this will be already inside this module, this prompt here. Okay, so this can be adaptable. This can change based on your needs. Okay, this can be real estate. This can be sports. This can be fashion. You can pick whatever topic you want. Okay, and this will just generate a category. Okay, as you can see, this is programmed to generate categories to do with the topic AI. So it's created ethical AI governance. Okay, and that's what this is about here. Okay, now, okay, so this is the link. I'll just set the link in here as a reference to the AI. Now this creates the Facebook post. Okay, so download the blueprint and you will be able to have this already in your module, okay, and set up for you already. So this creates the Facebook post based upon the category that it's just come up with, and it also adds the link, which is set in the variable. Okay, so we have the restriction of the character limit for Facebook, which is quite large actually. It's a lot larger than X, that's for sure. Okay, which is 280 characters. Okay, so we have the writing style. You can adapt this, customize this as you like. This is extremely important for prompt engineering, architecture. We don't want to use those. We can get rid of those in a different way though. M dashes. We don't want to use those because everyone knows that AI is always uses M dashes, and if there's M dashes in a post, everyone's going to know that it's AI, especially emojis. Okay, these I can get rid of easily with a bit of code. Here it's just a simple scenario, so sometimes it doesn't listen to me, it always puts M dashes in regardless. As you can see, there's an M dash here, even though I told it not to, but there are ways around it. Okay, regardless, this is a simple one. I'm not going to start putting in more modules. This is just something simple that you can use. Okay, so M dashes or no M dashes. So this creates the Facebook post. If I did want to remove an M dash, I would just create a module like this. I would just set the variable. Okay, and I would click this, replace. Okay, I will put the text in here. I'm getting a bit off track, but I thought I'd just show you this anyway. M dash, okay, let me copy this because I don't have it on my keyboard. So I'm just going to show you how to remove these. Okay, really quick. Oh, here we go, perfect. So I have to copy this actually because it's not on my keyboard. Okay, so this will remove the M dash from this, and it will just turn it into a normal dash, or it can be anything. It can be that, it can be a full stop, whatever you want it to be. So that's how you do it, yeah? Just for your information, okay? Okay, so it's create the Facebook post and then it posts it to Facebook. There's no images here, okay? On Facebook, I can add an image, okay? Either a flux image, you can see in my other video how to do that, or I can just create a DALL-E image. All I'll have to do is copy this, and I would just paste this here and add it to this section here in Facebook. And that's the same with X. I would add this here, or LinkedIn, I would just add this in here, and it will be four modules instead of just 2 there, okay? But we've just done it with Instagram, just as a demonstration, okay? Now, so here is the message. It's very simple. You just connect to Facebook. You just go through it, just log in, and then there the module's connected. It is very simple. Make.com makes this very simple with their native API modules here. Facebook has, and Instagram and LinkedIn, they all have native modules. Okay, the only one that doesn't is X. Okay, So this just converts the Facebook post into a Instagram platform optimized post. Okay, you can see this here. You are now an expert social media marketer and copywriter. Okay, convert the following Facebook post into an Instagram optimized post. Okay, and here is the Facebook post. Now the same prompt is in here, but that one's for X and that one's for LinkedIn. Okay, and then it just posts. This creates the prompt, that creates the image, and then it just posts. Okay, so we have the image URL. We just add that in there. Okay, we just, that one, it's over here. Very simple. Very, very, very simple. Okay. This scenario is a multi-platform publishing scenario. Okay, this can be used for many circumstances. So invest in quality prompt engineering to maintain your brand voice. You can edit in here. You can customize your prompts. So yeah, I'm glad that, I hope I've helped everybody by sharing this blueprint with you. Feel free to use it. You can probably sell this for money, but I'm just giving you the blueprint for free. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And just give me a subscribe, take a look at my portfolio, and enjoy the automation. Enjoy automated social posting.